Today I'm going to be installing a new bumper. Got this one online. It's got the shackles in the front. It's got fog light holes for your fog lights. It's got other tabs on top for other spotlights, floodlights. And I think it looked better than this old stock one. And basically, it's very easy to do. What you're going to have is 4 bolts on this side, 4 bolts on that side. You're going to take off the trim pieces here, the little push pin fasteners, those 2 right there. And underneath here, you're going to see another fastener right there, and the same on the other side, and 3 more that hold this plastic thing on. I'm going to take it off and show you what it looks like. First step was to take this underpan off. You got your fasteners on the top, on the bottom actually. One over here and one over there. It's these guys. You take them down, you drop that down. Then, as I said before, there's 2 over here. 2 fasteners, 1 there. What you do is you just slide it out of the way, because mine doesn't come off until you take the bumper off. Slide it out of the way. And you got 18mm bolts. There's 4 of them here. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 on the side, each side of this rail. All right. So you loosen those, and the same thing, and then you slide this whole thing over. Slide it all the way over, and you can access this side. You take them off, and there's wiring harness on the bumper on the inside. Make sure you take them all out to relieve it, so when you pull it out, you don't pull the harness off with it. And I'll show you what the next step is. Okay, just took it right off, and then you could just take this piece right out of the way, and you see what I'm talking about? 4 and 4 is 8, and it comes right off. And basically, I'm going to show you, and you see what I'm talking about, the wiring harness. Just make sure you take that off before you pull, or release it, before you pull the bumper off. It's that simple. And just reinstall. I'm going to reinstall, put 8 bolts, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like installed. Very simple to do. Nice little upgrade. The bull bar gives you a little bit of protection in the front. And the main reason why I did this, a couple of reasons. I didn't have fog lights. It's going to give me fog lights. I didn't have tow hooks. It's going to give me tow hooks. And the biggest one was the winch. I'm going to put a winch and install it right there. See how much room you got in there. Pretty sturdy, nice, and it looks great. To install this, like I just said, 4 bolts there, 4 bolts there, and it's installed. It's fast. You hook up your fog lights. I'll show you how to do that when I get them. And then you could put I'm gonna put spotlights over here, and I'm gonna put another lights up there too, and on the sides. Everything for trailing, because I'm gonna do a lot of trailing with it. I didn't lift it yet or put new tires on it yet, but you know, that's the reason why I want the winch, because I'll probably get stuck with those skinny tires. But anyway, there's more to come out 2020. Please, guys, subscribe, like the channel. Videos of all aspects of automotive coming in the future. I really appreciate the subscribers so far, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.